Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your girl Bulama. Welcome to another video. So as you guys can see by the title, this is a vlog. If you guys remember, in a few videos I was talking about, you know, working out this year, eating healthier, just being a better version of myself. Y'all, I'm turning 30 this year, you know, and that's a milestone. I'm gonna have a photo shoot. I'm gonna live my best life this year, okay? I do want to say again, thank you for everyone who has called and texted and left messages on my last video. Yeah, thank you. So I'm gonna do this fast, and there's this company called EnergyShack, and I will leave their information in the bottom bar, in the description bar, and I'm gonna show you guys briefly what I will be pretty much what my fast will be looking like. And I'm gonna come in and do a check-in with you guys. I attempted to do this fast without any type of guidance, and it was a fail. I probably got through the first day and I did not succeed. The thing is, it's funny because when you're not trying to eat, you can go forever. Like, you know, if I'm busy throughout the day, I cannot eat and I don't feel fine. But the moment I tell myself, okay, you're actually going to fast, is when your mind's like, no, we're not going to do that. So that was a struggle I had. So that was an epic fail. So I'm like, all right, let's go with the professionals. Let's have a schedule. Let's have rules. Let's have, you know, a script. So that's what we're doing, okay? So okay, yeah, so let's go through what I will be doing. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys the layout. Okay guys, so these are the drinks that were provided for me. These big ones, I'm supposed to have half of it for breakfast, half of it for lunch on the first day. Same with the second bottle, same with the third bottle. I'm sorry y'all, y'all hear Levi in the background. It's shower time, bedtime. These are for lunch, and then I think these are right before bed. So each day I will kind of go through and let you guys know what I'll be having and let you know how I'm feeling. Yeah, I'm gonna come in every day and tell you guys how I'm doing, how I'm feeling, how it's going, and yeah, y'all give me a sec. Okay, so Maya wanted to be in the video. Look at this guy sitting up like he's grown. Jeremiah. Look at the camera. Look. Say hello, everyone. Say hello, everyone. So yeah, guys, this is the plan. That's what I'm doing for the next couple of days. No, watch my head top. This is what I look like on a day-to-day basis. If I'm not going on the road, this is what I look like in the house. This is me, bro. Look at Jeremiah, he's getting so big so fast. Oh my god, he's almost 4 months. I think I'll come back and I'll do like an update, but he thinks he's grown. He really thinks he's grown. You guys hear Levi? I have 2 kids, y'all. I can't believe it. I had 2 kids. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching part 1, and I will see you guys in the morning. Mama, do not watch my hair. I have been trying to record for several hours and I just haven't gotten a chance to. So I am on day 2 of my fast. So I'm currently on day 2. This is my dinner, and I'll tell you what's in it. It's green apple, lemon with peel, and ginger. Okay, so this is my dinner, and the instructions are that you drink it slowly, so I'm having that. For breakfast today, I had a cabbage, green pepper, ginger. I will list it in the video of what I had for breakfast and lunch. So it was a bigger bottle, and I'll show you guys later on. And that was my breakfast and lunch bottle. So far, guys, I am feeling super tired. It's actually really hard to do this. Yesterday was a better day, but as it's come to day 2, it's gotten a lot harder. So I'm really struggling. I'm really tempted to eat. It's been hard. I have one more day to go. When I was pregnant, I was, prior to being pregnant and when I was pregnant, I was anemic. And I had really low energy and stuff like that. And so, you know, I was kind of reading up on things, and it was suggested that you kind of do like a reset. So this is why I'm doing it. And I also told you guys I want to jumpstart my weight loss. So, you know, after this, like once I go back to eating, then I can start working out seriously. I have been working out, like prior to starting the fast, I started working out, but like, you know, just to kind of clean my body and get all the toxins out, all the late night eatings and stuff of that nature. So yeah, this is Levi. He's not interested. He's watching the show. But yeah, so I will come back to you guys later tonight and show you guys what I'll be drinking. Say bye, Levi. Levi, say bye to the vlog. Say hello. He's not interested. Hey guys, so I'm just doing another check-in. It's late at night. We're at my dad's place. This whole, like, oh, I got my mom shirt on. This fast is really hard. I didn't weigh myself, and I probably should have weighed myself before I started. That would have been good. But so I've taken like before pictures, and I'm not releasing those till like later in my journey, but I took pictures before the fast, and I'll probably take pictures after the fast, and I might wait a little bit later to post them, like once, you know, you can see the significant process, or see the progress, I should say. But yeah, guys, it's hard. It is definitely hard. I'm having a headache. I'm feeling lightheaded. And these are things that she told me, the nutritionist told me would be a part of the whole process, so I'm not surprised. It's almost bedtime. I'm gonna have myself some tea, some peppermint tea. She said nothing with caffeine in it, so I'm gonna have myself some peppermint tea, a large cup of peppermint tea. And I'm gonna have a shot of something they call Camus. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so before I have my tea, I'm gonna have some of this. And this is it's called Camus, and it's a bitter berry that's extremely high in vitamin C, and this is used to support the immune system and ward off viruses. Add a half a cup of water, mix all, and drink half a cup 15 minutes before meals or before bed. So I'm gonna have this. And as you can see, it's from EnergyShack, nutritional value. So I'm gonna have this, and then I'm gonna drink my tea, and that's gonna be it for tonight. And then in the morning, I'll come back and show you guys what I'm having for breakfast. Even what's going on? It's a girl.
Big up my man them. Big up everybody. Big up my mother and my father. Big up my nephew and my niece. Give that your feature, man. Give me a feature. Big up. Give thanks.
Hey everyone. So this is my third update.
Day 3 update.
It's my last day of the fast, the juice fast. We're just leaving church. And I'm gonna show you guys on the screen quickly what I'm drinking currently. This is the green Coms. So I'm gonna show you guys the lid because it has everything that's in it. Hopefully you can focus and you guys can see it. No, it's not focusing. All right, so there's cabbage, romaine,
kind of look crowny still.
Yeah, romaine, lettuce, celery, kale, spinach, turmeric, and lemon. Okay, so this is pretty much my breakfast and my lunch. This morning when I woke up, I was having a headache. The headache is gone now, but I'm still feeling kind of like sluggish and tired, which is to be expected because I'm not eating and I'm juicing. So yeah.
Yeah, and I can attest to the fact I've been on her. You know, she has only been drinking the prescribed beverages and water, lemon water. So
yeah, yeah, I'm not feeling the greatest.
And she's yeah, let me tell you something. She miserable bad. You get me? So I guess me have to know so anytime she can eat food, she miserable and make be nice. Got be attitude me I get and snapping at me and me have to just ask God for grace.
Anyways, he's lying.
I'm not lying. You've been snappy. You've been very snappy.
I'm hungry. So I'm looking forward to this to be finished.
When do you finish it? Technically you finish when you wake up tomorrow you start food fresh, okay?
Yeah, I will give you guys an update probably later on today. Most likely before bed, just to show you my dinner, because this is lunch and breakfast. This is breakfast and lunch, and then I have another container for dinner, and then I'm supposed to take, I think I have one more wheatgrass shot to take, and the Camus thing that I showed you guys yesterday, so that is it. In terms of like, you know, things exiting my body, I haven't really found
things exiting your body.
Yeah, I didn't want to use the term.
In terms of going to the washroom?
Yeah, going to the washroom. That's pretty much all I've been doing is peeing. I haven't been doing really a lot of number twos. And I think that's just because people know. People know. So it's pretty much been, I mean, for me personally.
You're not doing it for your Snapchat? No. But then she did say that, right?
Some people don't really go to the number two. No, some people don't do number two. But essentially what she was saying to me was that, like, for people, I go regularly, TMI.
Yeah, like
so
duck, bro.
I don't really have an issue going. So for people who are maybe like stopped up,
like me,
you know, something like this would be very helpful just to kind of cleanse you. But if you're someone like me who just goes like as soon as they eat, then you're not really fine. Like, this probably won't affect your using the washroom. But I have been going to the bathroom a lot more, and obviously because all I'm doing is drinking. But yeah, it's more of just cleaning up the toxins and getting rid of all the, what do you call it now?
Built up grief.
Yeah. One thing she does say is that once you go at least 24 hours without eating, your body begins to break down fat, and also right, and also your body creates new, what's the term? Your body creates new cells or I don't know what I'm saying.
I can put it in a description.
I will give a proper description when I get home and I can sit down and read what she wrote on the paper for me. But yeah, so this is my little update, and I'll get back to you guys later on. Hey everyone, so I'm here to do another update with you guys. So I am having, well, right now I'm having a cup of tea. I put a pause on my dinner. I'll show you guys what I'm having actually. So for dinner, this is what I'm having for dinner. It's a smaller batch, and for dinner, it's sweet peppers, beets, celery, cucumber, onions, and lemon juice. Okay. So this is my dinner. It does not taste good, guys. I think I've made that abundantly clear by now. Nothing that I've had tastes good, except for my dinner yesterday, which was lemons, apple, and ginger. But yeah, it does not taste good. So I'm struggling to actually finish this. And actually, they do, as much as I'm struggling, it does say to take your time and drink it. So the struggle is working. But I put a pause so that I can just have some tea. And then after I have my tea, I will go back and finish my dinner. So yeah, that's the plan. That's it, guys. So I will come back to you guys probably right before bed or in the morning. So as I've said to you guys, if you guys are considering doing the juice fast, I would suggest do it. It depends on your personality or your body. The first day when I did it, I was up and down and moving up and down, and it wasn't really bothering me. I guess because it was the first day, but the second day was really hard, and the third day is only in the morning that I really struggled. So I think If you're a person that needs a distraction, maybe you want to do it when you're at work, and if your job is like a busy, like up and down, it might be easier. For some people like me, like the second day I just wanted to sleep all day. I wasn't able to, but that's what I felt like. So you're lethargic and weak and stuff like that. So yeah, just you have to know your body kind of and do what works best for you. So yeah, those are my little pointers, and I'll probably come back tomorrow and do like a overall review. As I said, the main purpose of doing this was just to kind of cleanse my body and give myself a good restart. The work really starts after the detox. So what I eat after this is what will determine how I lose weight and stuff like that. So right now I don't feel that bad. I feel like right now I can go another day, to be honest with you. Right now, I don't know what I feel like tonight or tomorrow, but right now I feel like if I had to go one more day, I could. In the morning, this morning, I felt really bad. I felt like, not nauseous, but I just felt, I felt meh. And yesterday I felt really weak and meh. And as I said, the first day was a breeze. So, yeah. So that's my current update, and I'll get back to you guys. Hey everyone, so this is the end of my juice fast. I'm about to go to bed. I'm just having myself some tea, and I'm gonna take another shot of the Camus, the thing I showed you guys in the previous, I think I showed you guys that yesterday, and that's it. So for the next 2 days, I'm supposed to have just straight veggies for lunch and dinner, and have a smoothie for breakfast, because apparently you kind of just don't want to jump back into eating regular foods. So we're gonna go into that, but I'm gonna end the juice fast. I'm going to end the juice fast vlog here. That was a tongue twister. I'm gonna end this portion of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video.